Today we are going to learn about the elision. For what is the elision? Phonics in a phonolith. The omission of sounding is speech is known as elision. Elision is common in casual conversation. More specifically, elision might refer to the omission of the untrained vowel, consonant, or syllable. This omission is of indicated in the prime and apostrophe. Elision of vowels in English usually happens where are shown. Unstressed vowel occurs between voiced consonants. He in the first syllable of purpose, potato, the second syllable of bicycle, or the third syllable of philosophy. Is the very good import to net that sound, do not simply discard. Like bird, swine of, and transcription such as eggs, for eggs implies that the phoneme as the front of altogether, but the later examination of shows that some effects are more gradual in slow speech than my very foolish pronunciates while in audible transition for present case. And though the following is while in more rapid style, I might better articulate but the following is while in a more rapid style in my better articulate but not given an audible relaxation and in very rapid speech is my very observable. If I had only as rider early moving of the penguin, Pablo the word is position. Example: I cannot pay stand the right. I must be there to live. And hide the parts person here. I do not want him. Some roles for elision. Some of the most common elision cases in English are they and the when the happen waiting on consonant cluster. When I arrived the next day, the Eliot Bedward case and the when we reached Paris. Why is too big for lunch? The Elizabeth Bedward. Days and P and Bedward 5 and F. We both Lovely Carrey stated Gay Elizabeth Bedward Breed and State. Complex consonant cluster are simplified. She acts like she holds their place. H can be simplified to H. Teacher who sustains he does teach from text can be simplified to text. Yours, the seats, troll. Size her simplified to size to. I can despair and understand syllables. I think we chose Skype phonics. I can disperse in the 5 syllables of phonics. I love you forever. Promise with the paper. I can this paper. stabilize. I can despair. Are you coming of the night? I can despair. That's an interesting idea. He is not pronounced by many speakers, reducing the number of syllables in the word. Hi, we got any vegetables. Hi is not pronounced by most speakers, reducing the number of syllables in the word. B can be dispersed enough verbs before consonants. My birthday is on 11th of November. Hi, here is a complete waste of time. That is the least of my worries. Let's look at more election examples. Word combination. Asked, why the election is election is electors. Once election, let's fight. Election, let's see. Word combination, the stock. Once election, the style. Election, the style. Word conversion, hard this. With election, hard dice. Election, high dice. Word combination, keep, yes. White election, type, white. Election, white, skyway. Word combination, cake cutting, white election, kite, orange, election, kite, orange. Word combination, keep targets, white election, keep targets, election, type typing. Word combination, atlas with white election, atlas one. Election, atlas white. Support and practice what we highlight with while those smart activities can consist of complete text chart what election cards in the first column your way. Write the word or combination in the second one. You have to write phonic transcription writing on red the song that will be omitted. In the last column, your way show the phonetic transcription one of the edited song. Example. Word of combination. I do not like fish. No election. I do not like fights. For election, I don't like fights. Yes. Complete the activity. Thank you.